In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a sales pipeline in Monday.com CRM. We'll go through the full process of creating a simple, practical CRM workflow that helps you organize leads, track deals, and stay on top of follow-ups. The goal is to build a system that's easy to maintain and clear enough to support your day-to-day sales activity. To get started, open Monday.com CRM. If you already have a workspace ready, you can jump straight in. If not, create a new sales board so you have a dedicated place to manage your pipeline. This board will act as the central hub for all your leads and active deals, so it's worth setting it up cleanly from the beginning. Next, add the key columns you'll need to track your opportunities properly. Include columns for lead name, company, deal value, owner, stage, and follow-up date. These fields give you the essential information at a glance. Lead name and company help identify the opportunity. Deal value gives visibility into potential revenue. Owner shows who is responsible. Stage tells you where the deal currently stands, and follow-up date helps make sure nothing gets missed. Once your columns are ready, create the stages for your pipeline. A simple structure works well for most teams. So set up stages such as new lead, contacted, proposal, negotiation, and won. These stages represent the typical journey from first contact to a closed deal. Keeping stages consistent is important because it makes reporting more accurate and the pipeline easier to understand. Now begin adding each lead or deal as an item on the board. Enter the relevant details into the columns you just created so every opportunity is documented in one place. The more consistently you fill in the information, the more useful your CRM becomes over time. As conversations progress and deals develop, move them through the pipeline by updating the status or stage. This keeps your board current and gives you a real-time picture of sales activity. It also makes it easier to prioritize next steps and spot deals that may be stalling. To save time and reduce manual work, add automations for reminders and follow-ups. This is especially useful for making sure important touchpoints aren't forgotten. Automated reminders can help your team stay responsive and maintain momentum with prospects. Finally, use dashboards to track sales performance. Dashboards give you a visual overview of pipeline health, deal progress, and overall results. They make it much easier to monitor what's working, identify trends, and support better decision making. With this setup in place, your Monday.com CRM becomes a streamlined sales system that helps you stay organized, focused, and proactive.